Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the class. Okay, this is our first video. Today we are going to do the hand bangle, which is the first thing. Okay, before you do your hand bangle, you need to measure your hand, right? So that you know the size of the elastic twine you are cutting. So you measure your hand. I have 7, so you have to make it a bit tight. But I'm not going to cut 7. I'm going to cut 8.5. So that after putting your bead, passing your bead on the elastic, you'll be able to tie it, then cut out the excess. Okay, so now I've started putting the bead on the twine. I used my tape and measure 8.5 on the elastic twine before I started passing the bead like this. Okay, so I'm going to do a concept on this hand bangle. I'll put the other color 2 or 3, then put the pearl 1, 3 of the other color of the white designer one of the pearl. That's how I just want it to be. Okay, so just watch carefully, and then where you don't understand, you can ask me question and I will explain. Okay, now I'm done, so I'm tying it now. I'm tying the hand bangle, the beaded hand bangle. After tying it, you cut out the remaining excess properly so that your rope will not show at all. So you cut it out like that. I believe everyone knows how to cut out something. And then you weigh it on your hand, you're done with your hand bangle. It's as simple as this, okay? So it's not difficult to make.